Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Jamie. Today I'm going to step you through a couple new skincare products that my friend Bakure sent me over from Mary Kay. So Bakure is a Mary Kay representative. I'm going to have all her contact information below so you can go check her out if you're interested in these products. But I'm going to jump into giving you a quick review of the skincare that she sent me over. So she sent me over this travel pack. It's a TimeWise Repair Volu-Firm The Go set, and it just has a couple smaller products in here on their really interesting TimeWise Repair line. I think this is probably one of their most famous lines of products and skincare products they're very well known for. I've heard great things about it, so I was extremely excited to get to give these a try. So the first product in this line was the TimeWise Repair Volu-Firm Advanced Lifting Serum. And I tried this for about a week. That's as much that came in this trial version of the product. And I really like this. I felt like I noticed the biggest difference in all of these items with this one right here. This one gave me a smoothing matte finish to my face. I'm going to try to insert a couple pictures. I have pretty smooth skin to begin with, but I could really see this as a great anti-aging product to add to your skincare line if you're interested in this. So this is definitely a recommended product. The next ones, I received a night cream and a day cream. So the night cream was the TimeWise Repair Volu-Firm Night Treatment with Retinol. So it has retinol, so you definitely want to use it at night. And during the day, retinol and the sun can be a bad combination. So you want to use this at night. And when you do use a retinol in your night serum or night skincare, you want to make sure that you put on SPF the next day. So I like this product as well. I thought this worked really well. I have nothing bad to say about it. I only used it for a week, and that was about as much as came in this little package. So I was very happy with this one as well. It was very moisturizing, seemed like a thicker cream, which I really enjoy on my dehydrated skin at night. Then there was a day cream that came in this package as well. So this one is a day cream and it has SPF broad spectrum 30 in it, which is a great level of SPF to have in your skincare. 30 I think is the recommended level. Anything above really doesn't help as much. I think 30 is hits the highest mark. So great amount of SPF in here. And one thing with this product, I'd say this is the one I kind of like the least out of the bunch. It just really felt slippery on my skin. It never really got into my skin. It felt like it always stayed on the surface, which to me, I have that problem often with products with sunscreen in them. So I definitely understand that this isn't abnormal for me. This happens a good bit. I like a different type of moisturizer where the sunscreen seems to penetrate. That could be the difference between chemical and physical sunscreens. I don't really know that much about which one is which is pretty sad, but whatever this one is, it kind of just felt like it was slippery on my skin. So my makeup would slide around a little bit. So this wasn't a real recommendation for me. This just didn't work out for me, but I think a lot of people would like this, and it was a really light and easy to use day cream. Then the last product in here was this eye cream, which is a Renewal eye cream, same from the Volu-Firm eye cream line. And this one I liked as well. I hear a lot of things about eye cream where maybe you don't need a specific eye cream if you are using another type of face moisturizer, but here's the thing that's great about this. These other two products that are moisturizers, this one has SPF and this one has retinol, and you wouldn't want to put those two products around your eyes. So I definitely like how they broke out a separate product just for eye cream. So I can see the benefits there. This worked fantastic. I had no problems with it, no burning or anything on my eyes. So this was definitely a product that I would recommend as well. But if you have a moisturizer that you don't need to use an SPF, maybe a separate moisturizer than your SPF, then you could just maybe use your regular moisturizer around your eyes. But if not, and you're just going for this skincare line, I definitely would recommend also purchasing the eye cream. So that was it. Those are all the products that came in this pack. It lasted me about a week. I enjoyed all of them thoroughly. I think the standout product for me out of all these, as I mentioned earlier, would be the serum. So this is what I would recommend if you didn't want to buy the whole line of products. So once again, thank you, Bacure. Thank you so much for sending me these products. I really enjoyed it. Hopefully this video was helpful for you guys who don't know much about Mary Kay. And thank you so much for watching my video. Talk to you guys again soon. Bye.